Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the organza tightly. Tape all edges so the fabric won't shift. Next, pick a fabric paint made for synthetics. You thin 10–20% with water or a textile medium to improve flow and translucence. Use a scrap piece to test color intensity and opacity. Then, low to 0. 5 1mm detail brush for outlines and a foam brush for larger washes. Once you're comfortable with the test, paint the first light layer, gentle, even strokes to avoid pooling. You proceed by layering, apply thin washes and let each layer become tacky, usually 5–10 minutes before adding the next to prevent bleeding. For gradients, work wet and blend rapidly with a soft brush or sponge so colors fuse smoothly. When you need crisp shapes, use stencils or a removable resist and cut clean edges with precision. Remove tape while paint is still tacky to avoid tearing fibers. Make smaller adjustments with a fine brush, and step back often to check translucency and balance. You finish by heat-setting the paint exactly as the manufacturer specifies, typically iron on low through a pressing cloth, or use a heat press at the recommended temperature and time. If paint beads on the surface, thin your mixture further and apply while slightly wetter. If color bleeds, lift excess immediately with a damp swab and dab, don't rub. For unwanted stiffness, wash gently with a touch of textile softener after heat setting. Finally, air dry flat, and inspect for any touch-ups needed before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.